technical. I'm back again with another video. Today, as you can see, I have another product from Treblab. They were kind enough to send me out the HD77. This is one of their more popular Bluetooth speakers. This has, I've heard this has good bass, and we're going to test that out in a minute. Pretty much you get ability to pair two speakers, so I could pair this with another speaker just like this for better sound. It's IPX6 water resistant. It's shockproof. It has a shockproof body. It has a carabiner clip and a strap. You get up to 20 hours of playtime. Get a 25-watt speaker, 360 HD sound. Pretty much this is what it looks like, the packaging. So now I'm just going to unbox this and we're going to get into the product. Sit that right there for now. Pretty much this is what it comes in. Nothing too fancy, but nothing too raggedy. I'm going to unbox it like so and see what else is in the box, which is at the bottom here. You get all your little cables, as you can see there. Take those out. So that is what you get in the box. So you get your instruction manual, and I will not be using this. You get a Treblab sticker, their logo sticker. It's that's a very nice touch. You get your USB-C charging cable, and you get your aux cord if you're into that. Open it up. Oh, okay, they sent me over the gray. They sent me over the gray color, which is nice. Probably look better if it was in black, but this is okay. This will work, you know. Get what you get and you don't throw a fit is what I was told. But I do not see the carabiner clip or the strap, so I don't know if they forgot to put. Nope, there it is. Okay, here we go. Sorry about that. I spoke too soon. But here you go. Here's your carabiner clip. If you want to clip this to your Bluetooth speaker, you can do so. Clip it to there. You could clip it here, or you can use your strap here. I probably won't need any of those, but this is what it looks like compared to their other speaker that they sent me over. This is what they look. This is what this one looks like. It's a lot longer, but this does look nice. Has a nice little compact weight to it. So you get your volume up button. This is your back button, I believe. Your volume down button. I believe this is a pause button. I could be wrong. That may be a pause button. And it says Treblab right there. These little light, this here is clear because this actually has LED lights that will turn on and off. This is how you access. This is how you would plug in your aux cable if you want to plug this into your cell phone or plug this into the speaker in your car. Then you also get your USB charging port. So that's how you would charge your device. Like it said, it has shockproof, so if it drops, it should be good to go. I believe you could sit this speaker like this to listen to your music. You could probably also stand it up like this to listen to your music. So now I'm going to just get my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and we're going to see if this has any juice and test out the sound. So I believe this could be the on. Yep, this is the on it. This is your power button. So as you can see, it's turning on. And I like Bluetooth speakers that have a LED light. That's a nice little touch there. So now I'm going to go to my settings on my iPhone, but you should be able to use this with an Android device and an Apple device. I don't see why not. And then I'm just going to go to my Bluetooth, turn my Bluetooth on, and I'm gonna wait until it picks it up, and it picks it up Treblab HD77. So we're gonna connect, and like I said, this is one of their more popular known speakers for good sound, good bass, at least what I heard. So now that's connected. So now I'm gonna go to YouTube and find some non-copyrighted music so we can listen to and see how loud this thing gets in the bass. So I'm gonna just start off with some of the songs that I played in my other video. Let's see here. Turn it up. This is how you turn it up. And I'm just waiting for it to play on the device. Yeah, that got some nice little bass to it. I like that. Oh, look at the subwoofers. They're moving. When you touch here, less vibration. Oh yeah, that's nice. I like that. Oh yeah, you can get a party going with this speaker if you want to. Let's see if it gets any louder. Oh yeah, now that is some good sound, you know. That has a nice good full sound. That bass is nice, you know, not too bad. It doesn't get muffled. This is the kind of Bluetooth speaker you would want at a party, if you wanted to play some loud music, if you were just outside chilling. This, I would recommend this Treblab HD77. This is a really nice speaker to have.
No matter where you call
home. I'm gonna play some more music real quick just to test it out a little bit more, and I'm gonna move it and see how far it sounds in range away from my phone and so on and so on. So let me turn my phone back up. Okay. Like I said, I'm touching it and it's vibrating. That's crazy. That's nice. Let's turn it up some. This is nice. I like this. No matter where you put it, you still have a good sound. Still sounds good. Pretty much this has been a review and unboxing of the Treblab HD77. So pretty much just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel. And I'll catch you back in the next video. I'm out.